How to get Telegram profile link. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Telegram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now once you have opened Telegram, tap on the settings option on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the My Profile option you see there. Here, go ahead and look for your username, and once you have seen your username, simply tap on your username and you will see the option for copy link. Tap on the copy link option, and with this your username and your user link will be copied. You can then go ahead and share it wherever you want. So this was about how you can get Telegram profile link. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.